to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are unboxing the last advent calendar of the advent calendar week. I hope you guys have been enjoying this. If you've not seen not one video yet, then go over to Vlogtober playlist and they're all in there. I'll leave yesterday's advent calendar unboxing here, which was the 2D Rituals exclusive advent calendar, and today we are unboxing the Rituals advent calendar, but this one is the 3D advent calendar. So yeah, I'm excited to get this one open. So if you haven't already, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Grab grab a cuppa, and let's get into the video. Okay, so my hair, I washed it last night after 2 weeks. That's why it's been in a bun that whole time, because I just haven't had time to even wash my hair, but I have done it now. So I'm just thinking I might put it up, half down, so it's out of my way, because you know what I'm like, I get really flustered and I just tend to tie my hair up. So give me 1 second. Okay, where were we? Right then, let's get into the unboxing. So here it is right here. I have to stand back because they are huge. They're so beautifully presented, it's unbelievable. So what have we got in store for the rest of Vlogtober? We've got some Halloween looks coming, we've got some Halloween makeup, we've got the subscription boxes coming, we've got some Christmas gift ideas, and also we've got a couple of videos coming from the kids. Obviously we've got one video coming from Penny where she will be sharing her view on the product that she was kindly gifted. And then what else have we got coming up? And if you guys want to see any other videos from me during Vlogtober or going into November, because obviously it's going to go back to 3 days a week in November, and then we're going to start Vlogmas, which means we'll be vlogging every single day until Christmas. So don't worry, we're not going to go that far, but yeah, I just need a little bit of break in November just to find my feet and hopefully move. Fingers crossed, we should be completing next week, which means that we will be moving hopefully by the end of October, beginning of November. So yeah, it's going to be a crazy couple of weeks, so I really need to keep on top of my videos and make sure that I am sharing the content with you guys, which I'm going to do a moving vlog. I've decided I'll do a moving vlog because I know a lot of people like to check out where people go, what they're doing. I've got so much packing to do. Honestly, if you saw this room, I think I'm just going to need a removal van just for my makeup. And that's no exaggeration. But anyway, let's get into unboxing the last advent calendar of the advent calendar week. Okay, so this is the inside cover. So that's going to be obviously the base backdrop of the advent calendar, and it says here full experience setup of steps. So you want to open the advent calendar and prepare all the items next to it. Turn the cover over so that you see a line with dots and circles. Turn the cover over so that you can see a line with dots and circles. Place it so that the line starts at the top right corner. Take the lights and the 32 stickers out of its packaging. Place the switch box on the top right corner so that it is outside the cover and the string passes in between the two edges. So is this going to get fiddly? I think it is. And then from there, follow the line with the lights. Place the lights on the small dots and fasten them with the stickers on the larger circles. So it's quite explains really well. So here is what they mean by dots and lines. So basically I have to put the light in between, so I need to put the light where those light dots and that are there, follow it through. So I'm thinking maybe we could put this on time lapse and me quickly fix this, get it all fixed up and set up where it should be, and then we can get into the unboxing of the calendar and you'll see how amazing it is. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so where are the lights? Oh, I'm like, where are the lights? And it says Christmas light. So, okay, so
feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me. church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
Okay guys, that has taken me a while. Like a while. I can't believe how long it's taken me. Now I'm going to start putting the boxes in the places, and then we can hopefully get this started. Okay guys, so here it is. The advent calendar is here. So this has taken me about half an hour, maybe 40 minutes to build and get it to looking like this. Is it worth it? I hope so. I am so not one for fiddly little things, but let's get the Christmas lights on. I think I know what, that's what broke the light. So can you see any Christmas lights? Supposed to all come through, but I've got a feeling the lights have come off. So it's supposed to be like all shining underneath, but they haven't. But anyway, we'll figure that out anyway. Let's get into unboxing the 3D advent calendar from Rituals. Okay, so let's get into box number 1, which is this one here. Okay, it's like a little tiny, it's a tiny little village, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in box number 1 we have, oh, so it's underneath, it tells you, tranquil, light this candle for a moment of pure tranquility with the warming scent of ancient sage. So that, and a lovely little candle. I'm getting a nice little collection of them. Box number 2 is number 2. Oh, thank you. The big one. So the lights are there coming through. A merry meeting of Eastern spice and Western heritage with this limited edition collection firming shower gel. Oh, okay. So something's telling me it's exactly the same products as the 2D one. I thought they might have been different, but they're exactly the same. So guys, I think there's a giveaway coming. Box number 3 is here. A wondrous Christmas. Let your inner sparkle shine through with a spritz of this new holy body mist. Yeah, it's exactly the same as the products that we had yesterday. So we'll just unbox it, and then yeah, you don't need to go back and check 2D one. You can check this, but I know this looks pretty, but if you've got an hour to spare to set it all up, then good luck. A Christmas companion, a luxury treat with mini fragrance stick. Begin the month of Christmas by adding the relaxing and calming scent of sacred lotus and Jubi to your home. Oh no. Okay, so they are, this is different. This we never had in the other one. Okay, get it out. So we've got, oh wow, so this can go in there like that, and then obviously you put the stick. So that's a really gorgeous one to have a look at. That's what's in there. Okay, box number 5 is that number 5 there? Yeah, box number 5 is here. Be sweet to your skin. This new luxurious hand balm from the Ritual of Sakura is regenerating present for body and soul. Okay, so these are different ones. Okay, I take it back. Go and watch the other one because it's different products. So in here we have a recovery hand balm for dry skin, and it smells so good. Oh, that's delicious, that is. Okay, box number 6 is here, and we have a festive sparkle. Light this intensely aromatic and unique candle to infuse your living space with positive and sparkly energy. So these little ones are all candles. That smells gorgeous. Okay, box number 7, Christmas magic. Do good and good will come your way with this body cream, the Ritual of Karma. Oh, that smells amazing. So yeah, that. Box number 8, Winter Warrior. Dive into ancient samurai traditions with the Ritual of Samurai Foaming Shower Gel. Honestly, this is such a cute idea, but I'm absolutely shattered just building it all up. So this is the shower foam. That's a nice one for guys, I think. Yeah, groomed to perfection. So this is for guys. That I can give that to the hubby. Number 9, Joyful Body and Soul. Be jolly like Santa and Buddha with the Ritual of Happy Buddha perfume. Ooh, what do we have in here? Oh wow, look at that. How cute is that? So it's an interior perfume, sweet orange and cedarwood. Oh, that's so cute. Let's give that a little spritz. Number 10. Number 10 is here. Oh Holy Night Mask. Repair your hair while you dream of Christmas miracles with the Exila Collection Overnight Hydrating Mask, Argan Oil and Shikai. Oh god, that smells amazing. I can't wait to give that a try. My hair could do with a mask. So that's what that product looks like. Okay. Number 11, the warmth of Christmas. Enjoy the ritual of Haham black soap for warmth and purity. Oh wow. So that's what that looks like. And it's a black soap. That smells nice and refreshing. Okay. Box number 12, winter gloves. Treat yourself with this scrub glove for soft and silky skin. Pair it with yesterday's gift for the ultimate spa moment at home. I like that idea. So that black soap, I've got a pair now. So here's another scrub to use with that, and it gives your skin a nice smooth finish. So I can't wait to give that a try. Box number 13, we've got another candle, a scent of cloves. Enjoy the essence and aroma of the holiday season when you light this private collection wild fig candle. That smells nice. That's in the other one as well, so that's there. I've got 2 of those now. Can't wait to give them a try. Number 14, we're unboxing one of our Christmas decorations. Twinkle Twinkle, give your complexion a smoother appearance and radiant look with saffron flower and holy lotus. What do we do? Just, okay. So that's another booster, anti-aging booster. We had 2 of those in yesterday. Number 15, a radiant duo. Enjoy the merry and positive vibes of the ritual of a calmer bath and shower gel no matter where you are. Okay. Oh, so that's a shower gel. Really cute shower gel. Good. Okay, what was that, number 14? So that was 15. So number 16, a balanced Christmas. Soothe body, mind and soul with the ritual of Ayurveda body cream. Ayurveda? Is that how you say it? So we've got another body cream. So this is Indian rose and Himalaya honey. Oh, I like that. That smells delicious. Okay. Number 17, a spritz of festive spirit. Create a unique and uplifting aromatic sensation with the ritual of calmer hair and body mist. So this is for hair and body, and it's holy lotus and organic white tea. That smells good. That's really nice, that is. Okay, number 18, adventurous advent. Start your day empowered with the ritual of samurai antiperspirant spray. So we've got a deodorant right there. Loving the packaging. That smells nice. Okay. Number 19, we have Be Merry, a reason to smile with the ritual of Happy Buddha shower scrub. Energizing shower scrub, sweet orange and cedarwood. Nice and fresh. Nice and fresh. Number 20, we have Make a Wish, transform your home into a fragrant haven of precious oud and warm oriental essence and celebrate joy and wishes of happiness. We've got another candle right here. It's the last candle. That's quite strong. Okay, number 21, we have another tree. A Christmas glow, reveal your inner glow and fight the first signs of aging with the serum from the ritual Namaste. So that's another booster. What? Oh no, it's not. Oh, so this is a Radiant Anti-Aging Serum, which you can find right there. It hasn't got a smell, so I can't smell that. Box number 22 is this one right here. Feel jolly with holly, squeeze, shape and shower. Be merry all the time with our playable showerable foam. Playable shower foam. Showerable foam. Oh, okay. I'm loving this. That's cute. I'm going to give it a try. I can't smell anything at the minute. I don't want to spray it just in case it does go everywhere. Box number 23. A Miracle Christmas Inside. Oh, it's taken, it hasn't got anything else, so they've covered it. So this is the Ritual of Haham Refreshing Foamy Shower Gel. That's what they've got there. And then on day 24, a dash of elegance. Surround yourself with the feminine fragrance of damask rose and brete and zesty rhubarb. Ooh. So this is day 24, the last one in the tray. Gotta lift it like that and like that. Oh wow. So we have a little perfume inside. That is beautiful. I'm loving the packaging. And let's see. Let's smell this. Up here. Yeah, no, that's not a very nice smell. And I'm not really keen on that. It's quite strong, isn't it? Oh yeah, that is Rituals Advent Calendar. Shall I tell you what? I think I prefer the 2D exclusive advent calendar. Got gorgeous products in here, but the faffing around and the getting the lights on and everything like that, I think is a little bit extra, and maybe next year they do the lights on themselves, just easier. I'll quickly tell you how much this one is worth. Actually, it's not bad now, that smell. Now that I'm getting it, it's quite not a bad smell, quite nice. So this advent calendar, I'll leave all the details down below, is worth $89.90, and I think if the lights were put on them already, when they were all set, it was already pre-lit, I think it would have been so much easier. Kind of like, just, I know it's a beautiful little village to see, but honestly, nearly just chucked it in the bin and just opened up the boxes myself. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, I will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogtober. Bye.